Your car throws a warning light, jerks between gears, or refuses to start. The shop wants $200 just to check it. Don't hand them your wallet yet.
Most of these problems aren't broken parts. They're confused systems begging for a reset. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple resets mechanics use every day but rarely talk about. These tricks clear warning lights, fix rough idle, and restore performance without replacing a single part. Let's get into it.
Reset number 1, ECU hard reset. Think of your car's ECU as its brain. Just like your laptop, sometimes it glitches. One day it runs fine. The next, it throws a check engine light and kills your fuel economy. Scary, right? The good news is, most of the time, nothing's broken. The ECU just gets stuck with bad data. Here's how to clear it. Turn the ignition off and pull the key. Pop the hood and disconnect the negative battery cable first, then the positive. Touch the cables together for 10 seconds. This drains leftover power. Leave them off for 15 to 20 minutes. Reconnect positive first, negative second. Start the car and let it idle for about 5 minutes. What you've done is wipe the ECU's memory clean. This clears ghost codes and restores throttle response. Your car feels new again.
Reset number 2, idle air control reset. You pull up to a light and suddenly the car shakes like it's had 3 energy drinks. That's usually your idle air control system out of tune. Your ECU manages airflow at idle, but every time you disconnect the battery or clean the throttle body, it forgets its baseline. The result? Rough idle and surprise stalls. Here's how to fix it. Start the car and let it warm until the temperature gauge sits in the middle. Put the car in park and let it idle untouched for about 5 minutes. Switch on the headlights and AC to add load. Let it idle another 2 minutes. Don't touch the gas pedal. Pressing it ruins the relearn. When done right, the car idles smooth again without stalls. Reset number 3, OBD2 scanner refresh. That glowing check engine light doesn't always mean disaster. Many times it's just a stored code from a loose gas cap or temporary sensor glitch. Here's the truth. You can clear it yourself with a $20 scanner. Plug the scanner into the port under your dash. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. Select Read Codes to see what triggered the light. Then select Clear Codes. In seconds, the light disappears.
Reset number 4, transmission shift reset. Ever notice your car hanging on to gears too long or jerking between shifts? That's not always a failing transmission. It's often the transmission control module holding onto old driving data. A reset clears the memory so it can relearn from scratch. Turn the key to on. Don't start the engine. Foot off the brake. Press the accelerator pedal all the way down and hold it for about 20 seconds. While holding the pedal, turn the key back to off. Release the accelerator. Wait at least 2 minutes. Start the engine normally and drive gently for 15 minutes. The transmission will relearn new, smoother shift points. Don't hammer the gas right after. Drive steady so the system builds clean data. Reset number 5, tire pressure monitoring reset. That tire pressure warning pops on every time the weather gets cold. Shops will reset it in 2 minutes and charge you $50. Here's how you do it yourself. Inflate all tires to the pressure on the door sticker. Don't forget the spare. Drive at least 10 minutes at 30 miles per hour or more. If the light goes out, you're done. Some cars have a reset button under the dash. With the key on and engine off, press and hold until the light blinks 3 times.
Here's what you need to know. These resets work for confused systems. They don't fix broken parts. If your check engine light comes right back after a reset, there's a real problem still active. If your transmission jerks even after the relearn, you might need professional help. Resets save you money when the issue is software, not hardware, but they also help you know when something serious is actually wrong. Use these tricks first. If they work, you just saved hundreds. If they don't, you know it's time to visit a mechanic with real information about what's happening.
That's how you reset your car without paying a dime. ECU hard reset clears ghost codes. Idle air control reset fixes rough idle. Scanner refresh kills warning lights. Transmission reset smooths jerky shifts. TPMS reset stops tire pressure nagging.
5 free fixes mechanics use but rarely share. But resets are only half the story. Real maintenance keeps you out of the shop for good. If you want to know the maintenance tricks that prevent problems before they start, check out our next video. Don't miss it.